The Rambo Bike's Rampage full suspension fat tire electric bike is a perfect off-roader, a specialized e-bike that features a ruggedized design and a powerful 1000-watt electric drivetrain, so you can easily travel uphill and blaze on trails. Have the confidence to go over rocky and loose surfaces, and when riding uphill. This electric mountain bike has a top speed of 28 miles per hour. It features a Samsung 21 amp-hour power pack that can travel up to 70 miles on a single charge, lasting throughout the day and covering long distances. The Rambo Bike Rampage features a thumb throttle and an 11-speed rear derailleur. This simplified design is very reliable, yet still provides excellent control over the speed in any terrain. This model features a frame crafted from rust-resistant and lightweight 6061 aluminum, perfect for any weather. The max capacity of the bike is 300 pounds, so you know it is a solid ride. It is equipped with a double-wall 27.5-inch rims and 2.8 Maxxis Minion tires for ultimate off-roading performance.
Get yours now and have it delivered right to your doorstep. You can buy it from us at the lowest price guaranteed, with free shipping and no sales tax outside Wyoming. Simply click on the link down in the description below, or you can contact us at 800-590-2738. Experience paradise at electricbikeparadise.com.